Welcome to our JavaScript Security Best Practices tutorial. In this video, we will cover the basics of securing your JavaScript code and protecting your applications from common security threats. There are several common security threats that can affect JavaScript applications. We will cover these threats and how to protect against them. Input validation is an essential part of securing JavaScript applications. We will cover how to validate user input and protect against common security threats. Cross-site scripting (XSS) is a common security threat that can affect JavaScript applications. We will cover how to prevent XSS attacks and protect your applications. Cross-site request forgery (CSRF) is another common security threat that can affect JavaScript applications. We will cover how to prevent CSRF attacks and protect your applications. Authentication and authorization are essential parts of securing JavaScript applications. We will cover how to implement secure authentication and authorization mechanisms. Secure data storage is an essential part of protecting sensitive data in JavaScript applications. We will cover how to use secure storage mechanisms and encrypt sensitive data. Secure communication is essential for protecting sensitive data in transit. We will cover how to use HTTPS and secure protocols for data transmission. Security testing is an essential part of ensuring the security of JavaScript applications. We will cover how to use security testing tools and perform regular security audits. Following best practices for secure coding is essential for writing secure JavaScript code. We will cover how to use secure coding practices and protect your applications. There are several security libraries and frameworks available for JavaScript. We will cover how to use these libraries and frameworks to improve the security of your applications. There are several common security mistakes that can be made when writing JavaScript code. We will cover how to avoid these mistakes and protect your applications. Node.js has its own set of security considerations. We will cover how to use secure coding practices, validate user input, and keep dependencies up to date to ensure the security of your Node.js applications. Following best practices for secure development is essential for writing secure JavaScript code. We will cover how to use secure coding practices and protect your applications. I hope this video has helped you understand JavaScript security best practices better. Thank you for watching.